Hey everybody, I'm with my two daughters today.
Chloe and Sophia.
Chloe and Sophia.
Yeah.
And we're in Gavin's room. But I was hanging out in the chair, figuring out what I need to do today on Sunday. And we're going to be getting our puppy. Our puppy. What's the puppy's name?
Gabe.
Gabe. I like to call him Gabe Danger. Gabriel Danger. But
I like to call him Gabe Patika. Benji.
All right, well, I am going to go upstairs now.
Why?
Put together Gabriel's new crate where he's going to sleep.
Can I help you?
Yeah. So
Yay!
we're going to go upstairs and do that.
Oh, can you see my foot for one second?
Yeah.
Can I help?
I don't want to see. No, we don't want to see your
Can I?
Oh, yeah.
I'm with the girls and we're in the bathroom. In Mommy's bathroom, as we like to call it, because Mommy uses it when she comes in here. But we're putting the dog crate in here because this is where she wants it, in this area, close to the bed. It's in the bedroom, master bedroom. And I bought this online. I forget the name of it, but it's an extra large crate. The guy that got us the dog. Like a cage to train Gabe the German Shepard Puppy, just to do potty train him, and yeah, and we're gonna make sure that he stays in there. All right, so I got it on Amazon. It was like $88 shipped for a 48-inch extra large, 30-inch wide crate. I'll put that, whatever the details are, on later. So first thing we're gonna do is put it together. The girls wanted to help me. So they're going to pull the latch, pull the locking mechanism. Pull it strong, use your muscles. Unlock it. Okay. All right, the next thing we're going to do is pull this up.
Like a book.
Like a book, like a page is what the instructions said. And just hold it. Okay? Hold it. All right. And I assume this one comes up too. Let's see. Oh, it's all one piece. You're right, you're right, you're right. All right, let's pull this back. All right, so the girls and I have completed the dog kennel for Gabe.
Yep, and it's like...
Okay, come on.
So, like, he can eat food here and rest here.
Yeah.
And you can...
All right, show them how it works, guys. Come on. Show where Gabe goes in. We're going to pick him up, I think, 2 days. Yep. And that's it. We do not put little girls in dog kennels, but that's how it...
Is Gabe going to be bigger?
Well, at first he's a little puppy. So...
I'm going to lock us in.
No, locking it. All right. So there you have it. Gabe's kennel, cage, crate is complete. Thumbs up.